There is a quiet power in telling the truth, even when your voice trembles. Love does not grow through perfect words, it grows through honest ones. A heart that speaks the truth may lose people who wanted lies, but it will always find those who value something real. If you truly love someone, let your words become a reflection of your soul, not a mask to hide behind. Today, let's discover why always speaking the truth is one of the greatest acts of love, courage, and respect we can ever give. Truth is one of the rarest gifts a person can offer in a relationship. It does not always sound beautiful, it does not always arrive at the perfect moment. Sometimes it shakes the heart, sometimes it creates silence, and sometimes it asks us to face fears we have spent years trying to avoid. Yet love built on truth has a strength that nothing false can ever imitate. Honest words may feel heavy for a moment, but lies become a burden that grows heavier every single day. Many people believe that protecting someone's feelings means hiding the truth, convince themselves that a small lie is harmless, that silence is kinder than honesty, or that pretending everything is fine will somehow save the relationship. But love cannot breathe inside an illusion. Every lie creates another wall between two hearts. At first the wall is so small that nobody notices it, then another lie is added, and another, until the people who once knew everything about each other are standing on opposite sides of something they cannot even see. Speaking the truth is not about winning arguments. It is not about proving that you are right. Real honesty comes from respect. It says, "You deserve the real version of me." That is one of the deepest forms of love, because it allows another person to know your fears, your mistakes, your hopes, and your dreams without hiding behind a perfect image. There will be moments when telling the truth feels risky. You may think honesty will make someone leave. You may worry that admitting your mistakes will change the way they see you, but if someone only stays because of a lie, they are not staying with the real you. They are staying with a story that cannot last forever. Truth may test a relationship, but lies slowly destroy it from within. Love is not about pretending to be flawless. Every human being has weaknesses, every heart has scars, every soul has moments of confusion. The beauty of true love is not finding someone who never makes mistakes. It is finding someone who chooses honesty instead of excuses. Someone who says, "I was wrong," instead of creating another lie to protect their pride. Those simple words carry more strength than endless promises that are never fulfilled. Trust is not built in one grand moment, it grows through thousands of honest conversations. Every promise that is kept becomes another brick in the foundation of love. Every truthful confession becomes another reason to believe. Even difficult conversations become valuable because they remind both hearts that nothing important is being hidden. Sometimes the hardest truth to speak is the truth about ourselves. It is easier to blame circumstances than to admit our own failures. It is easier to point at another person's mistakes than to look into the mirror. But growth begins the moment we become honest with ourselves. Only then can we become honest with someone we love. There is also kindness in truthful words. Honesty should never become an excuse for cruelty. The truth does not need a loud voice to have power. It can be spoken gently, patiently, and with compassion. Words that come from love heal even when they are difficult to hear. Words that come from anger can wound even if they contain the truth. The heart behind the message matters just as much as the message itself. Think about the people you trust the most. They are probably not the richest, the smartest, or the most successful. They are the ones whose words match their actions.